I am fortunate to be part of this past Bodoland Mahotsav National Capital. Bodo people are very affectionate, very cultured, very multidimensional. Bodo community is an important community of our country. They preserve, they continue, they cherish the Indian civilization and Indian culture. Bodo culture is one of the finest culture of our country. I am happy the Bodo territorial government, Assam government and government of India jointly organizing this prestigious program for the first time. It's so great. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday inaugurated the program. Lot of dignitaries will come, dignitaries from Bodo Sahitya Sabha, leadership from Assam, people like Samujjwala Bhattacharya ji, and my dear friend Pramod ji, and all the senior ministers, MP, MLA, all are here. All youngsters are coming from Bodoland. We must welcome them in national capital. This is the right spirit envisioned by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. This spirit should continue. Bodoland is a great land.
Thank you, sir. Sir.